test we have already learned, but at that time we learned that regarding the purpose of the other exams, right? Here we will learn it regarding the purpose of CUT exam. Okay, so we will cover the level of CUT. Okay, till the CUT exam. Okay, till the level of CUT exam. So can you please first of all can you please define me what do you know about the ratio?
Ratios like used to compare two things.
Very good. है ना? Yes. Ratio is mainly the comparison of, we can say that, two quantities. है ना? The two quantities or any two data, right? But they should be of same kind. They should be of same kind, right? If the first data is talking about the height, then the second data should be also talking about the height, right? Is it clear? And the second thing is the ratio is unitless. The ratio is unitless. Okay, if you want to write these points as an introduction, you can tell me. Okay, I will provide the points. Okay, so generally we can say that the ratio is the comparison of two or more quantities of the same kind. Okay, this is the first point. The second point is the ratio is unitless. Okay, is it clear? It is generally denoted by this sign, semicolon. Okay, suppose there are two quantities x and y, so here it will be written as like this. Okay, x is to y, so it is read as x is to y. Is it clear? Okay, or any doubt? Here
Yeah,
the x will be known as
antecedent.
an antecedent. Yes, there is one more name, first term or first term.
Yes,
Yes, the y is known as
consequent.
consequent. Very good. Consequent or second term.
Second term.
Right? Is it clear? Uh, hope there is no any doubt here, right? Or is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So you while you will make the notes, you have to make a proper notes on all these things. Okay, you have to write the definition of ratio. You have to also mention ratio is unitless and all other things. Okay, you can do it now by yourself, or if you want the notes, you can tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. The next point and the very important point is many times questions asked from here types of ratio. Okay, direct question they can ask from here. The first type is duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio. Okay, suppose the given ratio is x is to y. Okay, so duplicate ratio will be duplicate ratio will be what it will be. Here just we have to do x square is to y square. This will be the duplicate ratio. So x square is to y square will be known as the duplicate ratio of x is to y. Is it clear? Or any doubt? Yes, tell
No,
me.
sir.
As an example, they can ask like that, find the duplicate ratio of 6 is to 7. Find the duplicate ratio of 6 is to 7. So the duplicate ratio of 6 is to 7 will be square of 6 is to square of 7. Okay. So it will be 36 is to 49. So here we can say that 36 is to 49 is the
49.
Yes. So here we can say that 36 is to 49 is the duplicate ratio of 6 is to 7. Okay? Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Then here, can you please tell me 6 is to 7 will be known as what 6 is to 7 will be known for 36 is to 49, or here x is to will be x is to y will be known for x square is to y square, they will be known as
Sub
subduplicate. Yes, very good. So other type is subduplicate. Okay, subduplicate ratio. Suppose the given ratio is x is to y, then subduplicate ratio will be root under x is to root under y. So here we can say that the root under x is to root under y is subduplicate ratio of x is to y. Okay. So in the same way, one question can be asked like this: find the subduplicate ratio of 9 is to 16. Okay. So here we have to just find the square root of this 2. It will be 3 is to 4. So simply we can say that 3 is to 4 is the subduplicate ratio of 9 is to 16. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? Do you want to note down any point? Do you want to note down any point?
It's given in the book. I can note it down.
Okay, if you will note down it from the notebook, then it will be very good. If you will not
Yeah, I'll
note down,
note it
then
down in
please
the
note.
notebook,
Huh. But
but it's there in the book. That's why.
okay. But please note down it in your fair copy, है ना? Because when you will write it,
Yeah.
when you will note down, during that time, many points you will ultimately learn it, right? So that's why please note down, make a proper note, है ना? Every time I am repeating this statement, it's just it will be too effective, okay? And it will be helpful for you. Now the third point is, the third type is triplicate ratio. Okay, triplicate ratio. Suppose the given ratio is x is to y. Okay, it is x is to y. Then we can say that triplicate ratio will be x cube is to y cube. Okay, it's too simple. By the name you can easily understand here. Tree means 3. Okay, triplicate. So here tree means 3. Okay, so you have to just give the power 3. Similarly here duplicate means make it 2, है ना? So just give the power of 2. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? Can you please tell me
No, sir.
the question can be directly asked like this: find the triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. Triplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. Just we have to find it or give the power of 3. है ना? So it will be
27 is to 64.
very good. Yes, 27 is to 64. Yes. Okay. Is it clear now? Now the fourth point is subtriplicate.
Yes, sir.
Subtriplicate ratio. Suppose the given ratio is x is to y, then what we will say, subtriplicate ratio will be cube root of x is to cube root of y. Okay, is it clear now, or any doubt? The question can be asked like this: find the subtriplicate ratio of 125 is to 260. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what you will do?
5:6.
Very good. Here we will just find the cube root of 125 and cube root of 260. So it will be 5:6. Okay, is it clear? Now the fifth one
Yes,
is
sir.
very important and too easy. Inverse ratio. Okay, inverse ratio. Suppose the given ratio is given ratio is a is to b or x is to y, whatever you will take. Okay, अच्छा, take it in the form of x is to y so that we can easily understand, because from the beginning we are taking x and y only now. So x is to y. Okay, suppose the ratio is x is to y. Given ratio is x is to y. Okay, so inverse ratio will be, what will be the inverse ratio? Can you please tell me? Yes, Radha.
Y:x.
Y is to x. Very good. है ना? It will be y is to x. It's too simple, right? As an example, if they will ask find the inverse ratio of 2 is to 3. Okay, then let's see how we will do it. The inverse of 2 is 1 by 2, right? Because 2
Sir,
is,
your voice is breaking.
hello, hello Shraddha, hello.
Sir, I said your voice is breaking.
Okay, so let's see here.
Yes, sir.
This 2 is written as 2 by 1 is 2, or no, leave it is 2. This 3 is written as 3 by 1, right? So the reciprocal of this 2 will be 1 by 2. Here give them is 2, and this 3 is written as 1 by 3. Reciprocal of it is written as 1 by 3. Okay, so when you will solve it, it will be 3 is to 2. Okay, is it clear now, or any doubt? Because this is 2 can be written as in the form of division, then it will be 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 3, right? So this 3 will come in the numerator, then it will be 1 into 3 by 2 into 1. So it will be 3 by 2. It's mean 3 is to 2. Okay, is it clear, or any doubt? Yes, Radha. Just confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now let's see here the last type. Okay, it is I think sixth one now. Compound ratio. Okay, compound ratio. Suppose here the given if x is to y and a is to b are two given ratios. Okay, are two given ratios. Then their compound ratio will be then their compound ratio will be, see here we have to find the product of the antecedent and consequence. Okay, it's mean we have to find the product of the first term and the second term. Okay, so here we can say that it will be x into a is to y into b. This will be the compound ratio. Okay, is it clear now or any doubt? So as an example, if they will ask to find the compound ratio of 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 7, two different ratio are given. So here we will say that their compound ratio will be 2 into 5 is to 3
Product
into
of,
7.
yeah.
Yes, है ना? It will be 10 is to 21. So this will be the compound ratio of the given two ratio. Is it clear? Or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay now?